we're going to this place called Charmed LA, which is a Filipino-owned small business. You're able to do like fun DIY things there, and so I'm gonna make some cool agendas for my bridesmaids. I'm really into like journaling, especially when it's like the beginning of the year. So yeah, I'm gonna get some little journals for them. Our first stop, we're gonna get matcha, and I'm excited because I've been wanting to try this matcha place for so long. We made it to Rock, which is a really popular matcha place in downtown LA.
Can we get 2 matcha duos, please? One with oat milk.
One of my girlfriends and also Kevin, they both recommended that Rock is like the best matcha place in LA, and I will be the judge of that. It looks really good though. So we both got double matchas. It's called the matcha duo, and look at that. Look at the color. So they say that you have to drink like a sip of it at first, and then you mix it. Cheers. Oh my god, that's so good. We ended up at this place called Gigiata, I think is how you pronounce it. This is a chicken Caesar wrap, pretty viral wrap. And then this is arancini, which I hear is really good. Hey, that's what it looks like. Are you gonna use your hands?
Why not?
Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna use you to cut it up.
I'm a savage.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh! Look at the. Oh, the cheese kind of pulls apart, and then this looks like that tomato sauce.
Oh, are you gonna be okay? Do you have your latte? Oh man, you're gone.
Wait, I might have my lactate after.
It's too late.
No, it's never too late.
You're a goner.
No, I got it.
You should record the part where you react to this cheese.
The stomach reaction.
Your natural bodily response.
We're having cheesy stuff, and then also like look at the dressing. I think I do like at least a couple. Necklaces, charms, bracelets, bag charms, phone chains, pretty much everything. It's so cute. Okay, so this is what we've had made. Aren't they so cute?
You're making that.
Yes.
No.
You're here for the vibe. I got one for myself, and I'm excited because I'm literally going to use this as like my main agenda for the year. But then I also got these cute mini versions for my girlfriends. So one's going to Kat, one's going to Vanessa, and then one's going to my sister Lauren. And then I'm also getting these little binder clips to include. I'm excited.
Also made this.
Oh, Quinn just actually made this bracelet.
You like it?
He's a fruity boy.
Try again to jewelry.
Cute. It would go nicely with your little this one. Hang it. So then people know you love fruit.
Yes.
Okay.
Anyways.
Look at how cute the binding is. And they have like, I think 3 inserts in each, so there's plenty of paper. I'm excited. I'm gonna add more charms on them. Okay, so these are the charms. They have so many different options. You can even make bag charms right there, which is cute. Oh my god, they have so many cute charms.
What are you doing?
Applying pressure. Oh, that's right.
Wow, this is so real.
Wow.
something in it. You get to something. Thank you. Right after you finish that.
They made it for me. I take no credit for making this. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. We both found this little match charm. And then look how cute this carabiner one is. We were about to roll for it. I'm gonna get these ones.
Oh, look at how many cubes they have.
Oh, do you want a cube? No, it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna do my nails for the first time. Well, okay, no, that's not. What? Hello? I'm testing out getting wedding nails for the first time. And these are the nails that I currently have to work with. Do you see how crazy this looks? I'm going to my girlfriend Madeline. She's been doing my nails for the past year. She's the one that has been able to make the iconic ladybug nails that I have over here. We've done some really cool concepts for birthday bag month. She's even done like this cute bag nail design, like with a few of my favorite bags. So I'm in really good hands, and I'm excited because this is kind of like what I'm envisioning, this like lacy thing, but we're gonna test it out to see if I'm even interested in it. But yeah, let's take you along. Good morning. Good, how are you? Oh my gosh, it's so empty. Okay.
What's your vibe?
We're officially practicing wedding nails.
Oh my god, it's our trial? Oh my god, we're in the trial.
This is the vibe.
Oh my. Yes! Are you like ready for this?
No! I literally am like less than 2 months away, and I have
Nothing done.
we have the venue.
Okay.
I mean, the venue is like the most important.
What about flowers? What about all the other stuff?
The flowers are one of my girlfriends. She owns this business called Matcha.
Okay.
So I guess, yeah, I have a venue and florals.
Okay, what about DJ?
We just locked in the DJ.
Okay.
I need to ask my bridesmaids to be my bridesmaids.
Oh my god, you look like a princess.
It's so neat.
Yeah, how'd you know?
So it's cliche because, like, you know how you hear people say like, oh yeah, I knew like he was the one really early on
Right.
in a relationship. I remember when I first dated him, on like the third date, he did something that was just so like random, but I'm like, oh, I think I'm gonna marry this guy. We were even like comfortable with each other yet. Like I was just a random girl to him, and he was just a random boy to me. I remember like I met up with my girlfriend and one of my gay best friends, and I was like, I'm gonna marry this guy. And like I said it so early on that they were like, what? Like, ew.
Yeah, like cringe.
On the very first day, he proposed to me. So basically, we went to the OC market. When we were texting like beforehand, I was like, oh, so like, what are you like looking for in a relationship? And then he's like, oh, I'm looking for, and his type of humor is really like dry. So he's like, oh, I'm looking for my future ex-wife, and it's such a dumb joke, but like, I was like, oh, okay, like maybe I can be that.
Yeah, like on
On our first date, he went to Party City and got like a fake diamond ring. And then like after our date, he was like, okay, if the date goes well, I'll propose to her and I'll get down on one knee. So like after OC Night Market in the parking lot, he got down on one knee and was like, oh, like, I'm looking for my future wife. Will you marry me?
So cute, right?
God, these are so. I'm going to get my wedding makeup prep, but I'm going to Pateria first because my girlfriend loves matcha as much as I do. Okay. Ooh, they have a banana matcha. I feel like she would like that. Okay, so my girlfriend is having me pick up some stuff because we're gonna try out some new wedding makeup. Dude, she's asking me to pick up like a whole list of things. Blurring setting spray, like literally. Look at this list she sent me. So I'm gonna be here for a while. Okay, this is the first thing. Now I need to get this brush. No, they don't have it. Oh, no, they do. This is what I have so far. Now I'm gonna go to Ulta. And then this is the last thing. So I'm at Kat's place right now. This is the loot. This one. I'm excited to try this.
This is good. It's my everyday. I travel with it. I use it every single day.
Ooh. F2. Dude, I haven't been to Ulta
And so long.
in like 5 years.
Really?
It's amazing.
They have a lot of stuff now. That's my
This?
holy grail.
Okay, and then everything else are things that I just already own that you told me to bring. So this is what my face looks like before I am beat by Kat. I've been staying up until like 3, 4 in the morning, like literally just thinking about all the things I haven't done.
Well, yes, I think at the 2-month mark, people are usually almost done or done.
I'm doing this series where I'm asking my friends what they think my wedding dress will look like.
I have no idea what you go for. Something voluminous. You like volume and like your sleeves and stuff.
Sleeves. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know about the body part though, because it's like you could surprise us and go tight.
So I have to tell you something.
What?
What dress?
You did?
I did. Okay, do you
I
want to
showed
see it?
people. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
First off, I didn't know that you're supposed to start looking for a wedding dress 8 months before your wedding.
Really? Because I thought people know that. Because you have to get like it tailored. You have to make sure it fits. Like, the tailoring could go back and forth multiple times. What if you lose more weight?
Well, are you ready to
Was
see
I really off?
my poofy long sleeve voluminous dress that you are envisioning?
I'm totally wrong, aren't I? Let me see. Am I wrong?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh! It's so cute! Wow, you look very like high fashion.
I was trying to go for like a vintage
Yeah.
style.
Oh my god.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks so good on you. How cute. Do you think Quake's gonna be very shocked? Does he have an idea of what you...
He was like, I think you're gonna wear a blazer. Like, that's a good guess. My worry after finding out that I was supposed to look a while ago, but like it ended up really working out because that was the only size they had in that dress.
So this is what I had you order. This is so good. I'm almost out. It's gonna help with the glowiness, I think.
Oh, luminous light ambient. Okay, cool.
Now you can see what happened to your skin.
This is what the final product looks like. We're gonna change the brows and then we won't do a cat eye. We'll test out a new lip for the second round. Okay, imagine this with the dress. Yay! My makeup is wearing so nicely and it's been, I mean, it's only been, it's been like 5 hours. We're working, we as in Quang, he's working on the invitations. We're finally setting out the invitations. Apparently you have to like tailor each invite based off of like their +1. So we'll figure it out. I just posted, oh my gosh, it took me 3.5 hours to edit this 1-minute video, but we just uploaded our series, Let's Plan a Wedding in 90 Days. I'm so excited. We have officially like started our wedding era series. The team's been like wanting me to post more about like wedding planning. It's finally like the final 90 days before the wedding.
So you always start off, you walk in and then you spin her to show her off. Different steps too, like right, left, right, sideways.
We need more space. Okay. Do you like how there are bags in the background? Okay.
One,
Let go?
Let go and then spin.
Okay.
Ready?
Set, go.
Go.
Oh my god. Oh my god,
I got you.
You promise?
Yeah. But we have to do it to the rhythm of the music.
And then. Okay, I can do that.
Because you're supposed to show your flowy dress. And like when you create more lines, you stick your arms out to make yourself like take up more space.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.